the beginning of the park. It looks like they're preparing for some sort of parade, rave, or not sure what it is, but there's lots of techno music going on, so let's see. All right, I'm here at the beginning of a Zug der Liebe, which is the techno parade that is about to start here from Mauerpark. Zug der Liebe means train of love, and it's one of Berlin's most conscious street parades, which is a fusion of techno beats and political activism. In the next few hours, the streets of Berlin are going to transform in a moving dance floor. It started in 2015 as a political demonstration disguised as a dance parade. And it's often described as a social rave, blending the energy of events like the Love Parade with a clear activist message. For this event, there are 15 tracks representing a different social cause, ranging from anti-discrimination to mental health awareness and so on. And it starts here at Mauerpark and goes through Berlin's iconic streets. I'm going to follow it a little bit. This has not started yet, but it's growing, it's about to start, and it's supposed to finish with an after party at the Ritterbutzk Berlin Club.
Die Liebe zerbricht. Und wie viel schwerer ist das heute für die Soldaten, die in sinnlose Kriege...
They say that this event draws tens of thousands of participants, including artists, NGOs, and of course, everyday Berliner.
Redebeiträge. Mein Name ist weiterhin und ich glaube auch für den Techno weiter. Ich mache da mal noch, ich möchte mir noch mal mit einem riesengroßen, rasenden Applaus bei allen auf den Trucks, unter den Trucks, hinter den Trucks und natürlich auch bei euch, weil wenn ihr nicht auf die Straße gehen würdet für eine geilere Zukunft, dann könnten wir uns das echt in die Strumpfhose stecken. Ein Applaus für euch bitte!
Look at this idiot dropping a beer bottle on the floor. In the end, I had to pick up the bottle myself and threw it in the bin. It took me literally 1 minute. Why is that hard to understand?
Hey, hello.
I like the way they arrange these parades in terms of security and order. As you can see here on the right, there are people swiping the street and cleaning while the parade is proceeding. In front of them, there's the police to keep the order and everybody safe. And then in front of the police, there are the ambulances with paramedics and all sorts of medical assistance in case someone need it. And then ahead here you can see that's the parade. Also, the main road is split in two sides. The right side is for the parade and the left side is just for walking, so you're not stuck in the crowd. Look at these guys, you see, if they want they can run and go on the other side. While something similar in London during the Notting Hill Carnival, for example, is not possible because the streets are so crowded. To keep the order is much more complex. But here, yeah, they planned it properly.
So basically, I'm having an ice cream and walking down the road. Bloody hell, so busy. It's getting crazier and crazier here. Oh my god. No, I think Rave the world. Look at the amount of police. Oh my god. And I cannot zoom, and behind it's got the guys cleaning the streets.
Alright guys, that's enough from Zug der Liebe. Thank you for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!